Hi friends, I'm showing write a Java program to get a last modification data of a file. So here that's a very easy program and you have to know that it's a very difficult program. You have to see that the question, and that's very easy and very simple program. So here in Java the file is one of the concept in Java. So we have to use many files and we have to get the create a file and get the last data of modification. So that is, so I have to write a very simple program that is very easy to understand that. So watch here. So here this is the program that is a very simple program. So now first I have to explain this. So watch it. So here the import space java dot io dot file. That means in C and C++ we have to write the hash include iostream.h and hash include content.h. So that's like in Java we have to use the input space java.io.file. That is in C we have to use the we have to call that in C and C++ we have to call the header files. Like in Java we have to call the import files. So that is the difference between that import and Java I define. So here this is the we have to import the file. So here the imported file, the first character must should be in capital. That's a very important. So every time I have to tell that's a very important thing. And import space java.util.date. So here we have to again the date also we have to import it, because we have to know the last modification data of the file. So here otherwise we have to import that file, that is the date file. So here in this is the class and this is the class name. So in the class name the first character must should be in capital. So Java is a case sensitive programming language. You do not take a single mistake, the program has fallen errors. So that is the very important, you have to know that. So watch here, this is the public static void main string. That means this is the main function in Java. So in C and C++ you have to write the only void main or int main or only single main. So that is not possible in Java. In Java we have to write the public static void main string args. That is the big main function in it. So here this args means nothing but an arguments. So here there is no more arguments there, and this brackets is put in here or in here, that is none of your. So watch it here. So first we have to enter the main body of this program. So here we have to create the file. So and file we have to create the object with the file. So file equal to new file of main.java. So here we have to create the new file, that is the main.java, and the file name is and the long. So here we have to get the date of the last modification. So here we have to use the long data type. So long last modified. So here this is the code. That means we have to this is the object for that is the last modified equal to file dot last modified. So here this is very important, because we have to create an object and we have to call the object through the last modified, and the date we have to create the date also. Now date and date equal to new date of last modified. So here this is the very important, these two lines are very important. So here the long last modified equal to file dot last modified, and date equal to new date of last modified. So here these two lines are very important. Now here system.out.println means, so it is a print statement in Java. In C and C++ we have to use the printf and scanf for like cout and cin. So that is in Java we have to use the system.out.println, that means print statement. So now here we have to print the date, that is the last modification date. So here this is the program, that is a very simple program, we have to know that. And I have to save this file. Now save here. So I have to save in this location, that is a D drive and JJava folder. So here watch it, I have to save this main.java. So here was this the file name and the class name are same. So in Java we have to Java compiler compiles with the file name and class name are same. That is the compiler works, otherwise doesn't works. So here I have to save it. So here the file is in saved it here. So in this folder there is no more other files there. So this time I will compile this file. So here in C and C++ we do not save the file, but it compile and execute. This doesn't work in Java. In Java you have to compile the file. The file must be saved in your computer, and you have to know the cut location also. So here this is the location of this folder, that is the D drive and JJava folder. So now we have to enter the D drive. So here this is the D drive, and we have to get the JJava folder. Now we have to write the JJava that doesn't work. So here we have to get the cd and j java. So cd means the change directory, so change directory to j java. So here this is the way to get that. So this time I will compile this file. Now watch the code java c main.java. So java c means the java compiler. So java compiler compile the java file. So here watch it, that is the main.java. In this folder there is no other files are there. After the compilation is completed successfully, in this folder there is the dot class file has been created automatically. So here watch it, I have to compile this. So the compilation has been successfully completed. So here the dot class file has been created automatically. So there is no more error there, so I have to execute this program. So what's the execution? Now type java space main. So here what's the difference between the compilation and execution? So in the compilation we have to use the compiler, that is the c means the compiler, and we have to give the class name, sorry, file name. And in the execution we have to give the java only, and we have to give the class name. So that is the difference between the compilation and execution of this program. So here was that execution. So here last modification of this for file, that is the file name here. So here the last modification of file name, that is the main.java. I have already created that. So that is the March 8 28 19 hours and 26 minutes and 38 seconds. That is the 2016. So here this is the way to get the last modification of different some file in your computer in using the Java programming. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.